Hello everybody, this is Primary 2. We are having a lesson in reading. It is time for reading. Please get prepared and get ready. It's time for reading Primary 2. Now before we continue with today's lesson, we are going to review these sounds that we last learned. Some of them we learned them in P1. Some of them we had learned them before we broke down. So let us revise them. Is it okay? The first sound is A, as in the word train, train. The second sound is O, boat. We have words like boat, coat, and many others. We have sound I, as in words like tie and pie. We have sound E, C, or, sound or. We have words like for, we have words like corn, and many. This is sound ng, usually used at the end of words. Most of the time this sound comes at the end, like in the words ring, bang, sang. You can mention more words, why not more? We have sound u. This is a short one, short vowel. We have the word look, book. Then we have oo, a long vowel, as in moon, spoon, church, chick, chart. This is sound sh, shut, shilling, this is unvoiced, and this is voiced. Here we have, with the voiced one, we have words like these, there, them, and unvoiced we have theirs. 3. This is kwa, kwa, kwa. We have a sound made by a duck. Kwa, kwa, quack. We have ow, ow, ouch, house, hour. We have oi, oi. Oi, in here we sound oi, we have words like coin, spoil, and we have sound you. We have words like you itself. Now, today's sound is going to be sound This is our sound of the day, sound R, sound R. Everybody, sound R. Everybody say R, R. And under this sound, we have words like part, part, part. We can have words like park, park, park. We can have words like farm, farm, farm. We can have words like scarf, scarf, scarf. We also have words like R, R, R. We can also have a word with the sound carrot, carrot, carrot. We can also have another word, far, far, far. And you can also have the word star. Can you please read the words after me? Part, 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 park, 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 farm, 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 scarf, 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 hour, carrot, far, and star. Of course, there are many words, we cannot mention all of them. What I know, down home, you're mentioning many more words, mentioning them to daddy and mommy. So our sound, can we please identify the sound in the words? Sound R is the sound of the day. In the word part, sound R is here. Sound R. In the word park, sound R. In the word farm, sound R. In the word scarf, sound R. In the word R, it's here. Sound R here exists. It exists here in the word carrot. In the word far, sound R. In the word star, sound R. So you realize this sound can be brought anywhere. It can be brought anywhere. We can mention more words. Some of them are not here. We have the word water, we have the word farmyard, to mention but a few. So we can have some sentences. We can have some sentences using these words. I'm going to write them and we shall read them together. Is that okay? Yes, like we had said, we are going to use some of these words in sentences. And I've already written my sentences on the blackboard. So I'm going to read them, then you will read after me. So, the first sentence says, she has a red car. She has a red car. I ran to the park. I ran to the park. A shark has sharp teeth. A shark has sharp teeth. My arm is broken. My arm is broken. Pat loves stars. Pat loves stars. Let's read them again. She has a red car. She has a red car. So the word with the sound is car. We are going to underline the word car. Our second sentence is, I ran to the park. I ran to the park. So our word with the sound is the word park. Park, park. The third sentence is, a shark has sharp teeth. A shark has sharp teeth. Here we have two words with the sound of the day. We have the word shark, the big fish in water, and we have the word shark. My arm is broken. My arm is broken. The word with the sound is arm. Arm. Then our last sentence is, Pat loves stars. Pat loves stars. The word with the sound is stars. So let's read the sentences together as we finish up. She has a red car. I ran to the park. A shark has sharp teeth. My arm is broken. Pat loves stars. So at home, you can continue using these words that we looked at and many others to construct your own sentences. So right now we are going to have our exercise, which we shall be doing at home, and our mummies and daddies will mark us. Is that okay? Time for the exercise. Get your pencils and your books ready. Now class, after looking at the words and the sentences with sound R, it's time to have our exercise. Before we go to the written exercise, let's have a listen and write. Let's have a listen and write. Hope our pencils are ready. Please listen to the word before you write it. I'm going to say the word 2 times, then you write it. Our first word is going to be jar. Jar, jar. The second word is March. The month of the year. March, March. Our third word is farm. Farm, farm. The next word is arrest. Arrest, arrest. Our next word is part. Part, part. Our next word is hard. Hard, hard. Please remember the sound when you're writing the word hard. We are looking at sound R. The next one is start. Start, start. And our last word is card. The word is card. Card, card. I'm going to repeat these words one last time. We had the word jar, March, the month of the year, farm, arrest, part, hard, start, and card. Hope everybody has got the words. Mommy or Daddy can mark us the words and give us marks out of 8. Now let's go to the exercise on the blackboard. We already used the words in the sound. Now in our exercise, what are we going to do? The instruction says, read the sentences and underline R words. Read the sentences and underline the R words. You're going to read the sentence, sound the words, then underline only the word that has sound R as we've learned. Let me read through the sentences. My scarf is dirty. My scarf is dirty. You're going to sound all the words, then you underline the right word with the sound. Sentence number 2, a shark is a big fish. A shark is a big fish. Sentence number 3, we enjoyed the party. We enjoyed the party. Sentence number 4, a cat has sharp teeth. A cat has sharp teeth. And the last sentence is, Daddy is at the farm. Daddy is at the farm. Please remember to follow the instructions, read the words and underline the word with the sound. Okay, thank you very much for being attentive. Let's meet next time. Remember to stay safe, wash your hands whenever necessary. Bye. See you.